Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at three snack foods from Aldi that are a little bit lower carb. They're not super low carb, so this is something that is a treat. You would not want to eat these on a regular basis just due to the carb load. But these are mango, chili lime, black bean snack crisps. They have net 12 grams per serving. And they are black bean. I've never had any kind of black bean stuff. They are like kind of like Andy Capp's fries in terms of size. If you've ever had their hot fries, I love Andy Capp's hot fries. But the flavor is very good at the beginning, but towards the end you end up with this kind of a musty flavor that I'm not a huge fan of. I really like the beginning, don't like the end very much at all. So to me, these are like probably maybe a 6.5, 7, probably closer to 6.5, just because of that aftertaste. It's not great. They also have a hint of lime, white bean chips, and lime and chili Tostitos were my favorite types of chip when I was a kid, because they had them back in the 90s. I'm an old man. So these are a hint of lime white bean chips, and you'll notice they're just regular tortilla chips. The flavoring is perfect. The chips themselves are a little bit more like almost like they're made out of like a cornmeal or almond flour or something, where they're coarse. It's much coarser ground. And these things are 10 grams net, 15 grams with 5 grams of fiber. So these are way better. I mean, in terms of like aftertaste, there's not really a ton. The texture is not perfect, but in terms of flavor, these are really, really good. Again, not something you're going to want to eat like all the time. Then the last batch here are green pea crisps, and these are I've had some pea things before. My mom used to always get them from the goodie corner at Dillman's here, but these are 8 grams net because they're 13 grams with 5 grams of fiber, and these are also kind of that extruded, kind of like Andy Capp's fries. There's no flavoring at all. Like at all. So it's kind of like eating, this is a bad analogy, but it tastes a lot like you're eating styrofoam peanuts, packing peanuts, that somebody dumped a bunch of the water that peas were cooked in over the top of. Unless you love peas, I would not recommend these. I would give these about a 3 or a 4. I'm not actively wanting to expel them from my body, but I certainly don't want to eat a lot of them. So in terms of ranking, this is number 1. These are amazing. These are like a 9, maybe possibly close to a 10. They're really, really good. Probably can't be a 10 because they are higher in carbs. These, again, they're better than a 5, but not much better. And these definitely not good in my view. This is one of those things that you'd want to cover up with something else, like a nice dip that makes it so that you're not tasting that. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Have a great day.